Well, as you can hear, the engine is running pretty smooth now. I added some 104 plus lead to it, and actually some Marble Mystic Oil in the gas tank, and it seems to smooth things out quite a bit. So yeah, it's running pretty good. Still got a little bit of a problem when I try to speed it up too much, but I can still get it revved up pretty high. And let's see, well, let me go around to the cab and I will go in there and we'll speed it up. Let's see, get in here. Okay, there we go. And we're inside here. A little bit of a stumble when it starts. So yeah, you can see it. You can rev it up pretty high, and it seems to be working pretty good. What am I doing here on the oil pressure? There. Oh. Damn gauge is going wacko now. Oh. Yeah, there we go. What's that, about 40, roughly 40 pounds oil pressure. And yeah, so it's still running pretty good, and we're going to do some little improvements here also. We've got to put a bench in here. I just filled up the gas tank, so it's filled all the way up to 5 gallons now. It's right at the top, and I still have about another 2 gallons left in my other jerry can. And we're going to work on this bench arrangement next, and then I've got to get some uprights for here. He's got the pockets on this. If you look down there, that's how big the pockets are. It's probably be about a 2x2. I can probably get in there, and then it'll have the sideboards on this side and the other side. But I think I'm only going to put the bench on this side, because the other side, it'll be interfered with by the other solo seat I have, and the other in the gas tank back there. So, and just the other day I bought a another camera, so I can. It's got a longer line and stuff, so I can probably take a look inside this thing, inside the engine. But you can see it's running nice and steady. Look at that. Not bouncing around or nothing. Shoot, I didn't even have to choke it hardly at all. I just put it choke in for a little bit, turn it off, and it just took right off. So there you go. That's what's going on over here. And talk to you guys later.